Hey everybody, this is Kenny Conklin from Sci-Fi-Antasy, and you can now find Sci-Fi-Antasy on HobbyLinkInternational.com, our official site. So welcome to another YouTube video unboxing, and today we're going to take a look at Greenstrawberry's 1/1000 scale Polar Lights aftermarket set for the kit. So we got to always thank Greenstrawberry for sending over the product. This way we can check it out and we can show it to you, and we'll see what's in the box. And I like that they did both sets for the 420 scale and also the 1/1000 scale, because the 420 scale is a little bit harder and more expensive to get unless you find a sale on it, and then you're good to go. But most people can get the 1/1000 scale, and now they have something to add onto it to make it look a little bit better. So enough babbling out of me. Let's get over to the desk and check out the kit. Now let's take a look at what's in the box. So this is the Greenstrawberry kit for the USS Defiant in 1/1000 scale, and the kit number is 08919-1/1000. The box, as usual, comes with the cover art to show you what is inside the box. Then you have some graphics on the side, a little warning on the back, and Greenstrawberry's URL down here. So let's take a look at what is inside the box. So we'll start out with the instructions as we usually do. It's in booklet form, and at the top here you can see that they have the PE and your resin parts. It shows you everything you got going on in there. And then down here is the key, and then it goes into the directions themselves. Starts out with the bottom of the ship, and then you go into the main engineering section, and then you have the rear of the nacelles, how to put all that together, venting. So it goes through the whole thing. This is the shuttle bay for underneath the ship. Then you got parts for the front, and that's a single piece, and then you got windows and more venting. So there's a whole bunch of PE on here, and everything is clearly laid out this time. There's nothing really jumbled up where you're not going to be seeing what you need to see. So I already opened this box up to do the written review, which you can find at HobbyLinkInternational.com. But again, we have the non-resealable bags, so I had to put everything back in the box, and then it's just all over the place, which I don't like. But we will take a look at the parts now and show you what the resin is made up of. Here's the clear piece of acetate that comes with it. This is for the main engineering section on top. That's you'll cut these out and put those in there. You follow along with the instructions. I think it looks like they may have given you extra ones, this just in case you mess something up. I'm not sure. I only saw the one on the direction, so it should be one, and you got a spare just in case. So we'll start off with the pieces for the warp nacelles. You can see this is exactly like the ones for the 1/420 scale. It has all the detail inside over there. There's another piece to this for the other side, so I'm not going to show you the duplicates. I'll just go one by one, and you can see all that nice detail in there, and then I'll show you the three parts together. Then this is the second half of the warp nacelle that you'll have two pieces for this too. This way you can put it together and it'll make one. You can see the little bit of detail in there. You'll have the grating that goes over the front. So let me show you the next piece. These are the transparent blue pieces that go between the two pieces prior, so you'll have easier time lighting it up. These are a little lighter than the original pieces. That may be because they're smaller, but the other ones look darker for the 420 scale. So hopefully these will give that blue tint like the bigger ones do. So this is the three pieces together, the blue in the middle, and then you'll have the two outside, and you'll put the grating over that, and then you can add an LED to have light shine right through that clear piece and hopefully light it up blue for you. This is a piece for the inside shuttle bay. It's going to go on the half round that I'll show you in a second. It goes at the top, so you can see the little detail on there. This is the back wall that'll be placed on that half round I was just talking about, with the other piece for your interior shuttle bay. Plus there's also a PE ring that'll go around. So let me show you that half round. And this is the half round that I was talking about. You'll have the windows will go right across the back here. And if I could get this in focus for you, that little first part I showed you goes right there on that circle. Now the only thing with this is if you do the interior, you'll get the detail in there, but unfortunately you'll have to flip your ship over to show people the interior detail. So I'm not sure how many people will be using this unless you use a pole and have a mirror underneath, and then people can see the interior detail that you'll be adding to the ship. So don't forget, if you want to see the written review and also more pictures of the kit itself, go over to hobbylinkinternational.com, and I'll have that link in the description below. So let's take a quick look at both sets of PE that come with the kit. You may want to look at the written article on hobbylinkinternational.com because the pictures are always clearer there. So this fret this is for the shuttle bay that'll go on top there, shuttle bay door. This is for the front of the ship. You have a whole bunch of vents. You also have for the main engineering section on top, and a bunch of small little detail pieces all down here. So you got to be really careful cutting those out so they don't go flying on you. And some more detail and venting over here. Looks like they did on the 420, they changed up all the vents on the ship. And on this set of PE, you have windows here, 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 and here, a whole bunch of windows. Again, this is for the top of the ship with the main engineering, and then you have the grating for the warp nacelles in the back. This way you can see what you put in there, plus hopefully that blue light will come through here. So again, Greenstrawberry did an excellent job on the PE, and please take a check of the written article on hobbylinkinternational.com, like I said before. This way you get a clearer view. With lighting and stuff, sometimes it just shines a little too much and it's hard to see PE on camera. So it's time to take a look at the pros and cons of this kit. Let's start out with the cons as always, and there's only one con in this kit, and that would be the packaging that is not resealable for the parts. Not always going to use them. You can throw them back in the box, but I do like to have the resealable bag, especially for the bigger kits that they do have. Like the PE in this kit comes in a resealable bag. Greenstrawberry used to use that resealable bag, but they don't anymore. I guess that's how they have it packaged now. I don't like the non-resealable bag. Nothing major that's going to ruin the kit at all. It's just my preference, and I'm sure a lot of other people out there do like to have that resealable bag. This way they know everything's in one spot and not in a box that the bottom could open up and everything could go flying all over the place and stuff like that. But that's it on the cons. Nothing major, nothing that's going to stop you from buying the kit. Now let's get over to the pros of this kit. The first pro, as always, is excellent resin casting. The pieces are smooth, they look great, they got no flash on them. They show where you cut off the pour stubs, and those are in a great spot. So no problem at all with the resin. Always going to add a nice extra detail to the kit. The second pro is the transparent blue pieces. This way you can put those into the warp nacelles and you can add the lighting and it'll show up in there, and that'll look pretty cool. The third pro to this kit is the PE. As always, the PE, they do an excellent job. There's really tiny pieces on there that's just going to bump up the detail. The grills for the nacelles, the opening for the shuttle bay, couldn't think of the word there for a second. That's awesome piece of PE over there, the ring around there. So as always, the PE is great. Another pro, this time I'm not going to complain about the directions on the kit because they're actually pretty good this time. They don't look jumbled up. They all have their own slots. So the instructions this time are pretty good on this one. And those are all the pros and cons on this kit. So that's it for this unboxing. Again, only one thing that I didn't like in the kit, and that's not even a major thing at all. Again, we'd like to thank Lucas and Susanna for sending over the product. This way we could check it out and we can show it to you. And if you haven't yet, go over to greenstrawberry.cz. This way you can check out all the products they have, and they have more and more products coming up. So thanks again, everybody, for stopping by. If you have any questions or comments, throw them in the comments section below, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. I hope you all have a great day. Take care, and bye-bye.